Welcome to this complete Hamburg travel guide, where we embark on a virtual journey to discover the gems of this German city. A city that's a testament to the charm of the old and the allure of the new. Hamburg, Germany's second-largest city, is not just a bustling port city, but a melting pot of history, culture, and stunning architecture. From its impressive warehouses that echo tales of the city's prosperous maritime past to its modern marvels that symbolize its vibrant present and promising future, Hamburg is a city that has something for everyone. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll delve into the heart of this city, exploring its iconic landmarks, soaking in its diverse culture, and savoring the unique experiences it offers. From miniature wonders to colossal concert halls, from tranquil parks to bustling streets, we'll leave no stone unturned. So fasten your seatbelts, we're about to take off on an unforgettable journey through Hamburg. Our first stop is the miniature Wonderland, a place that transforms adults into wide-eyed children. It's a mesmerizing spectacle of minuscule proportions, where the tiniest of details can spark the grandest of imaginations. Miniature Wonderland is home to the world's largest model railway system, a meticulously designed masterpiece that stretches over 15 kilometers. But it's not just about trains. This little universe also boasts detailed miniature replicas of famous landmarks from across the globe. From the bustling cityscape of Las Vegas to the serene fjords of Scandinavia, it's an enchanting journey through the world in miniature form. It's the perfect place for those who appreciate the beauty in details. And the best part? You can explore all these wonders without a passport. It's a testament to human creativity and craftsmanship. A world where the small is truly mighty. A visit to Miniature Wonderland is like a quick worldwide tour without the jet lag. Next, we cruise to the Port of Hamburg, the gateway to the world. With a history that dates back to the Middle Ages, this bustling port has long been the heartbeat of the city, pulsing with the ebb and flow of the tides. Once a humble harbour, it has grown to become the third largest port in Europe, a testament to the city's maritime prowess. From the age of the Hanseatic League, the Port of Hamburg has been a vital link in international trade, connecting countries and cultures across the globe. Today, it continues to serve as a beacon of commerce, handling millions of containers every year. But it's not all business here. The port is also a visual spectacle, offering stunning views that blend the old with the new. Imagine a horizon lined with towering cranes, historic ships, and a bustling cityscape, all under a vast open sky. With the salty sea breeze and panoramic views, the Port of Hamburg truly is a breath of fresh air. From the port, we sail into the Speicherstadt, the largest warehouse district in the world. A mesmerizing blend of red brick Gothic architecture and waterways, it's a sight to behold. Speicherstadt, or City of Warehouses, was built in the late 19th century during the German Empire's era. It is a testament to the city's maritime affluence. Wandering through the district, you'll find yourself immersed in a different time. The warehouses, which once stored goods like coffee, spices, and oriental rugs, now host a variety of trendy restaurants, museums, and offices. Despite the modern adaptations, the district has retained its historical charm. Speicherstadt's unique architecture and historical significance have earned it a place as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's not just a collection of old buildings, but a living, breathing piece of Hamburg's history. As we leave the labyrinthine canals of Speicherstadt, we find ourselves at the grand Hamburg City Hall. The Rathaus, as it is locally known, stands as an embodiment of the city's self-governing tradition. With its majestic facade and lavishly decorated interior, the Rathaus is an architectural marvel. Built in the late 19th century, the Rathaus features an eclectic mix of architectural styles, from Neo-Renaissance to Baroque. The building's sandstone walls house over 650 rooms, each brimming with historical significance. The Rathaus is not just a historical monument, it's the heart of Hamburg's political life. It's here that the city's Senate and Parliament conduct their daily affairs, shaping the present and future of this vibrant city. Interestingly, the Rathaus is said to have more rooms than Buckingham Palace. Now that's a fun fact to toss around at your next dinner party. The Speicherstadt and City Hall are testaments to Hamburg's rich history and bustling present. They're more than just landmarks. They're living, breathing symbols of a city that beautifully blends the old with the new. We now ascend to spiritual heights at St. Michael's Church, fondly known as Michel. A Baroque gem, it stands as a testament to Hamburg's history. Its iconic copper-green spire pierces the sky, becoming a symbol of the city's skyline. Inside, the celestial ceiling and grand organ inspire reverence, while the church's narrative mirrors the city's resilience. Its tower, open to the public, provides a panoramic view of Hamburg, a blend of old and new. As dusk falls, we transition to Hamburg's nightlife at the Reeperbahn. Vibrant and lively, it offers extensive entertainment for night owls. With a past as colorful as its present, it's a cultural hub where taboos acceptance. The stark contrast between the quiet Michel and the bustling Reeperbahn encapsulates Hamburg's spirit. From the serene Michel to the lively Reeperbahn, Hamburg truly offers a contrast of experiences. A city of many faces, it's ready to share its story and offer an unforgettable experience. And our journey continues to the Tranquil Planton und Blomen Park, a green oasis in the heart of the city. This serene haven, with its colorful botanic gardens, is a delightful blend of nature and creativity. Its waterlight concerts transform the park into a magical spectacle as dusk falls. Next, we step into the Elbphilharmonie, a unique concert hall symbolizing Hamburg's innovation and love for music. Its wave-like facade is an impressive sight, but the true attraction lies within. The Grand Hall delivers a sonic experience unlike any other. The cultural significance of the Elbphilharmonie extends beyond music, embodying Hamburg's appreciation for art, encapsulated in the Hamburger Kunsthalle, a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. It houses an extensive collection of art from medieval to modern. It's a journey through time, showcasing the evolution of creativity. Finally, we reach the Ulster Lakes, the heart and soul of Hamburg. Their reflective surfaces paint a picturesque setting, a magnet for locals tourists. They offer a range of activities from sailing to scenic strolls. As the sun sets over the Ulster Lakes, you realize that Hamburg is more than just a city. It's a blend of nature and architecture, tradition and innovation, tranquility and vibrancy. It's a city that evolves yet stays true to its roots. It's a city surprises you at every corner yet feels familiar. It's a city that invites you to explore yet makes you feel at home. Whether you're a nature lover, an art enthusiast or an adventurer, Hamburg has something for everyone. Before we wrap up, let's dive into the bustling atmosphere of Hamburg's famous fish market. As the early morning sun peeks over the horizon, the market comes alive with a vibrant energy that is as fresh as the seafood on offer. From stalls heaving with a cornucopia of exotic fruits to vendors calling out the day's catch, the market is a sensory feast that encapsulates the spirit of Hamburg. Here, you'll find a unique blend of locals and tourists, creating a lively cultural exchange. Regulars haggle over the price of fresh fish, while curious tourists sample the diverse range of produce available. The market is more than just a place to buy food, it's a tradition, a social gathering spot that has been a part of Hamburg's fabric for centuries. As you meander through the stalls, the aroma of fresh seafood, the chatter of vendors, and the buzz of the crowd, you'll understand why a visit to the fish market is more than a shopping trip. It's an essential Hamburg experience. So, when in Hamburg, don't forget to set your alarm early one Sunday and join the locals at this lively market. It's a sensory feast that offers a taste of Hamburg's spirit. Next, we descend into the Elb Tunnel, a marvel of engineering beneath the River Elbe. Opened in 1911, this impressive 426-meter-long tunnel was a significant achievement in its time and continues to serve as a vital connection between the city's north and south. Walking through the tunnel, you'll be surrounded by beautifully preserved white tiles, a testament to the tunnel's historical significance and its enduring functionality. As you venture deeper, you'll feel the thrill of walking under the river, surrounded by the tunnel's unique tiled artwork that tells stories of Hamburg's maritime history. The tunnel's spiraling staircases and old-fashioned lifts add to the charm of this unique journey. Emerging from the tunnel's exit, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of Hamburg's skyline, a sight that will take your breath away. The juxtaposition of the city's modern architecture with its historical landmarks, as seen from this unique vantage point, is a sight to behold. In essence, the Elb Tunnel is a journey through time and space, offering a unique perspective on Hamburg. It's not just a passage, but a destination in itself, a hidden gem that encapsulates the city's enduring spirit of innovation and resilience. So, when in Hamburg, don't miss the chance to walk under the Elbe and emerge to a view that's truly one of a kind. Leaving the depths of the Elb Tunnel behind, we now surface into the vibrant Sternshansa district, the beating heart of Hamburg's alternative scene. As we wander through the narrow streets, we're greeted by a riot of colors, the walls adorned with creative and thought-provoking street art. This is a place where creativity flows freely, a place that embraces the unconventional. The streets are dotted with independent shops, each with its unique style and character, offering everything from vintage clothes to handmade crafts. As evening descends, the district comes alive with a buzz that's palpable. The bars and cafes, each with its unique charm, are filled with locals and tourists alike, savoring the city's vibrant nightlife. The air is filled with laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses, a testament to the district's lively atmosphere. But Sternshansa is more than just a destination for shopping or nightlife. It's a hub for Hamburg's cultural and social scene, a place where ideas are exchanged and progressive thoughts are nurtured. This district, with its alternative vibe, is a testament to Hamburg's diversity and creativity, offering a unique blend of experiences. So make sure to take a stroll through Sternshansa when you're in Hamburg. It's a place that truly embodies the spirit of the city, vibrant, creative, and ever-evolving. As our journey through Hamburg draws to a close, the memories we've collected will continue to echo in our hearts. The miniature wonderland that left us spellbound with its intricate detail. The bustling port of Hamburg, where we felt the pulsating rhythm of the city's maritime life. The historic Speicherstadt, Hamburg City Hall, St. Michael's Church, and the Reeperbahn, each a testament to the city's rich history and cultural heritage. The vibrant Sternshansa district, a kaleidoscope of colors and creativity. We've marveled at the grandeur of the Elbphilharmonie, wandered through the enchanting paths of Planten and Blomen Park, admired the artistic masterpieces of Hamburger Kunsthalle, and soaked in the serene beauty of Alster Lakes. Each of these experiences has painted a unique stroke on the canvas of our Hamburg journey, creating a vibrant masterpiece that we'll cherish forever. As we bid adieu to this beautiful city, we carry with us not just memories, but a part of its spirit, its vibrancy, its creativity, its warmth. So here's a heartfelt Tschüss to Hamburg. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour, and we hope to see you soon, exploring the streets and soaking in the spirit of this wonderful city.